Okay guys, good evening and welcome to my channel. Okay, today I'll be talking about how to create your Bybit account, how to verify your Bybit account, and how to fund your Bybit account. Okay, I'll be teaching you guys step by step on how to do those three things. And if you are joining me the first time, you are welcome to my channel. My channel talks about crypto related issue and how to make money online. Okay guys, if you're using an Android phone, all you just have to do is go to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS phone, you just have to go to your App Store. Okay, you can see I'm using an Android phone right here right now, so I just have to click on my Play Store to download Bybit. Okay, you can see I have to just search on Bybit. Then okay, mine has already been installed, so I just have to click on open. Okay, you can see, then you see sign up. Okay, I'll be dropping my referral link for you to use it to open your Bybit, so you can get your, or you'll be able to get your 5,000 bonus and when you verified your Bybit account. Okay, so I just have to click on sign up. Then you see it shows two options here, your Gmail and your Telegram, but I will advise you to use your Gmail for your register if you want to register a Bybit account. Okay, so you just have to click on your Gmail. Okay, I will have to select from. Okay, I just have to use one of my Gmail to open this account. Okay, I'll wait for it to register. Okay, you see it's being processing. Okay, finally you can see my Bybit has been opened. Okay, so I'm using this Gmail. I already have a verified Bybit account. I'm just doing it for my new beginners here on my channel. Okay, so you can be able to get the full glimpse on how to get your Bybit account. Okay, right there you just have to click on this icon when if you want to verify your Bybit account. Okay, you just have to go to this place. Okay, you see, you click on the settings, then it will take you to this place. Okay, so you can see here it said identity verification. Okay, you just have to click on this place. Okay, you see it said complete identity verification standard. Now, proof of identity, please submit a copy of your identity verification document along with a selfie that clearly show your face. Okay, it's talking about your NIN, your passport and all that, so your accounts will be verified fully. Okay, you can see it said verify. Okay, I just have to verify it. Then you can see it showed my location. Okay, and it showed different option on how to verify your Bybit account. Okay, you see BVN is written there, ID card is written there, driver license is written there, passport is written there, resident permit is written there. So you just have to do this and click on anyone you want to use to verify your Bybit account. Then boom, your Bybit account has been verified. Okay, that's just the process and that's it for now. Okay, now I just have to go to my Bybit account, which is my verified Bybit account, to show you how to fund your Bybit account. Okay, as you can see guys, my verified Bybit account, I just log in into my Bybit account. Okay, this is my Bybit account. Okay, how to fund your Bybit account. Okay, mind you, before earlier I said earlier that when you use my referral link, you are going to get your $5,000 bonus when if you use my referral link. Hey guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, so whenever I post a video on my channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, now if you want to fund your Bybit account, all you just have to do is click on this deposit. Okay, you click on this deposit. Mind you, I'm from Nigeria, so I'll be buying with my naira. Okay, I'll be doing bank transfer, buying with my naira, buying USDT with my bank. Okay, so if you are in any other country, you just have to click on buy with your country. Okay, So now I'll be clicking on buy with naira. Okay, see, and I'm purchasing USDT. Okay, I just have to click on any amount of naira that I want to buy. Okay, I'll click on 20,000 naira. Okay, which is what approximately 12 USDT. Okay, I just have to click on next. Okay, as you can see, it showed me two options here, which is recommended bank transfer and P2P bank transfer. Okay, I'll be using this P2P bank transfer. Okay, you can see I just have to click on buy with NGN. Okay, I just have to confirm it. It said 1 USDT is approximately 1654 NGN, which is my naira. Okay, and I'm paying with 20,000 naira. Okay, I just have to click on confirm. Okay, you see, I just have to click on pay now. Okay, I'll be copying my seller's account, then I'll take it to my bank account, then send the 20,000 naira. Okay, you can see I just copied the bank account. Okay, I'm about to go and send my 20,000 naira to the seller account. Okay, as you can see, I just copied the account, and this is the seller account. I'm sending 20,000 naira to the seller account. Okay, you can see I just sent 20,000 naira. Okay, you can see said this is the first time, so you just have to be careful on how you. Okay, said continue. Okay, finally I've sent the 20,000 to the seller's account, so I'll be screenshotting this as my payment proof to the, so my USDT will be released to my Bybit app. Okay, I'm back on my Bybit app, so I just have to click on payment completed. Okay, you say I understand. I've read do not tap confirm payment without having paid. Okay, so I understand. You just have to read this carefully to avoid any story that touches the heart. Okay, confirm you have made the payment to the following. Okay, I just have to click on I've made the payment. Okay, I just have to contact the seller and send the screenshot I screenshotted. Okay, you can see I just send it to him. Okay, I have already sent. Okay, you can see I'm waiting for him to release my USDT into my Bybit account, so I just have to wait for him. Okay, you can see it said my payments completed. Okay, I've received 12 USDT, so I'll just go back to my Bybit wallet to check if it's really released. Okay, I just have to click on done. Okay, you can see I just have to go back then. Okay, finally you can see, finally you can see my USDT, my 12 USDT will be sent to me. Okay, you can see my USDT has been sent to me. Finally, my Bybit has been funded with 12 USDT. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe on my channel whenever I post any videos. So guys, you can also buy your Bitcoin using the same method. All you just have to do is just go back to the deposit and go back to your deposit and click on the same process, then wait for it to open, then click on this icon here where it's written USDT and type on the coin you wish to buy. Okay, thank you for today and God bless you.